Okay, hi. So hari ni saya nak buat saya punya biasa punya tutorial makeup. Okay, first kali saya akan pakai foundation ataupun concealer sahaja. Sebab for me, my makeup wasn't, bukanlah saya nak tebal sangat, just cover some spots. Because my face muka saya tak adalah minyak sangat, so saya pakai sikit concealer di tempat-tempat yang saya nak saja. Untuk tutup parut apa semua saya akan just pakai concealer, and then my concealer is Fit Me Maybelline and Caramel 40. Okay, then saya akan blend pakai tangan saja. Saya tak akan pakai sponge because saya rasa sponge ambil semua saya punya concealer, and end up my sponge memang kotor, so saya tak pakai sponge lagi dah. Saya pakai tangan sahaja. Easy to blend, and dia memang sekata dengan saya punya muka lah. So kena make sure kan kita punya, masa saya dab tu, kita kena ratakan lah kita punya concealer. Make sure semua kena lah. And lepas tu okay, dan check kalau ada apa-apa lah. And lepas tu saya akan ambil saya punya compact powder. Make sure compact powder ni sekata. Sebab untuk compact powder ni adalah untuk sekatakan concealer saya tadi. Make sure ratakan. I'm wearing Sicky Girl White press powder code peach glow. So dab sikit, then kita cover lagi. Not too much of powder, nanti dia nampak macam tak cantik. Just to even the concealer go. Kadang-kadang kita ambil masa juga kita nak dab pun kan. Okay, then saya akan buat eyebrow pula. Eyebrow for me, I didn't use gel. I use pencil from Maybelline Code Brown. Okay, sebab saya punya kening dah tebal, so I don't want so many tak nak kening tebal sangat. So just brush up my eyebrows and I'm done. Okay, so I'm done with the eyebrows. That's all. Sikat-sikat dah habis. Okay, so we are done with the eyebrows. Okay, next I'm going to apply my lipstick from Maybelline Mangata, Code Mangata. I have shown the lipstick in my videos, so you can just check it out my videos. Sangat cantik. So I didn't wear any lip balm sebab dia memang dah moisturize bibir. So I didn't wear any lip balm. So you can see the colour was so bright and memang smooth to wear. So tak perlukan lip balm, it's actually moisturize and smooth. So you can see saya pakai lipstick hari ni. I love the colour. The colour is so, nampak purple, macam purple something. It's so nice. Okay, so I'm done. Okay, just ready myself. Okay, korang boleh tengok I'm done with my makeup. And putting some brush. Bisa cantikkan sikit tudung. Putting out on my brush. So tengah bersiap. So meanwhile I'm doing my YouTube. So just let you guys know what actually my makeup routine when I'm going out. So it's just a simple makeup routine for me. Tak ambil masa pun, just a quick short makeup. So I'm really done now. Okay, so I'm done. So my makeup is end. Alright, so that's all. My makeup is done and I'm ready to go. And thank you for watching my video. And please subscribe for more new updates videos from me. And I hope you enjoy my video. And don't forget to bring. So I just bring some things in my handbag. My small mirror and my lipstick. So just in case anything. So I'm going to show you my bag. Mask and extender. Okay, and we are done. And don't forget my small brush, just in case. Okay, so I'm done here. And I will see you on the next video. And I hope you enjoy my video. Okay, like and share my video. And just going to see you again the next video. And bye. Assalamualaikum semua. Have a nice day.